No foot down as he made it all the way up there and stepped up to the top of the mountain. Jordan Szoke taking the control turn right back down here again. And clearing that motorcycle out just a little bit, circling it back around. Going to come back up the down ramp now as he uses that nose wheelie to reset the wheel. Having a look here now. Crowd getting a real close look. Up on top. Oh, and a big bit of air here. Going to walk the plank, get ready to say stop. As soon as he lands down there, here we go, and stop! And he stops right there, balances it out as he walks the plank and drops off the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, Jordan Szoke getting up on the games. One, step two, up on top, as it kind of crumples underneath him. Now you got to get yourself organized to come down. You're not on the. Look out! Look out! Ladies and gentlemen, man, here we go. Up on top and got a little air up there. And a little razzle dazzle from the champion on the top of the van. Give it up for Jordan Szoke. That was awesome. I'm going to lie down here like this. Stop revving up the motorcycle. I want you to pay attention to what we're doing here, right? You're going to come and jump over top here, the Riding Academy girls, and that's probably a good idea. So you just might as well just break your legs rather than your head, right? Okay, so here he's going to come now and come and jump over. So you guys ready? You got a camera? You might only see this one once, all right? Okay, here we go. Jordan Szoke ready to jump over us. And we go. Oh, that's close enough. Right there. That's what that is. Oh, my goodness. Hey, OG. Get him up there. Oh, a beautiful kiss and dance right there from Sears.
That's a lot of 450-pound fucking bar. That's a lot of weight. Fucking